Hi, boys and girls. Um, if you're watching this video, it's because you've missed a lesson. So our lesson for today, Thursday, December 3rd, was about here are learning targets. Pull your bow and arrow back and shoot for the target. I can describe what I observe in pictures and videos of the sun, moon, and stars. I can ask and record questions about what I notice in pictures and videos of the sun, moon, and stars. So the poem that we heard today was What We See, Sun, Moon, and Stars poem. And then we heard a story about Elvin, the Boy Who Loved the Sky, part 3. Next, we had questions that we discussed in class in breakout rooms. What are some things that Elvin wondered about? What are some things that Elvin shared with us because he wondered about the sun, moon, and stars? And what word does the word astronomer remind you of? Why does the word astronomer remind you of that? So it took us to our very first vocabulary word for Unit 5, astro and astronomer word wall cards. And the word astronomer means a scientist who studies the sky, universe, and beyond. And the word astro means having to do with outer space, objects in the sky, and the sun, moon, and stars. So what do you notice in the pictures? These are photographs. These photographs show patterns. So this is what the astronomer gave Elvin, pictures of different patterns. So we notice that there are stripes, patterns in this picture, and then we notice that there is a swirl of the galaxy in this photograph, and then there are lines of bricks patterns in this photograph. So what does the word pattern mean? Pattern means something that happens over and over again. Can you name any patterns that you see at home or out in the world? So here's a pattern of tile on a floor. Here's a pattern of a crosswalk. And then here's a pattern in a chart. When Elvin wondered if the sun, moon, and stars had facts, an astronomer gave him these photographs. So here's some more patterns that we didn't see before. And so for your independent assignment on Seesaw, you will listen to the story, What Makes Day and Night? And then you will either work in your orange book. It's page 16 of your Sky Notebook, Home Patterns Response Sheet. Draw a pattern you see at home. At the bottom, write the name of the pattern and describe why it is a pattern. And then you'll describe what pattern you used, or the name of the pattern you used, and then describe this is a pattern because. So this assignment is also on Seesaw. So you have options. You can write it and draw it here and then upload it to Seesaw. And then record what you wrote down, or type it out. You can do both. And that's all.